My brain works hard. It is like a computer that answers my question and sends messages all over my body. My brain looks winked like a walnut shell. It will weigh between 2 and 3 pounds when I'm adult. My brain is very fragile and soft. It needs to be protected. My brain is protected by a very hard bone called my skull. If I touch the top of my head, I can feel my skull, and my brain is under my skull. I have many nerves in my brain. My nerves are little like telephone lines that send messages all over my body. Some of these messages go to my body through my spinal cord. Messages from my brain move very quickly through my body. They move faster than I can blink my eyes. My brain keeps my heart beating and my lungs breathing. It makes me move. My brain makes me think and helps me remember things. My brain helps me talk, write, see, smell, hear, and do many other things. It even helps keep me from falling down. My brain works hard for me. My stomach is like a strategy bag that holds my food after I eat. My stomach also helps to break my food into small pieces so my body can use it. About 10 seconds after I swallow food, it reaches my stomach. My food reaches my stomach through a tube called my esophagus. Little glands in my stomach make special juices. They are waiting for my food. Once my food enters my stomach, my muscles move the walls of my spine, the walls of my stomach. My stomach matches my food the way a baker needs salt for bread. My food gets smushed and stirred with special juices. The juices and motion help to break my food into small pieces or digest it. My stomach has a door in it that closes to keep food inside. My stomach keeps food inside to work on for a new hours. My stomach is stretched out to hold almost 2/4 of food. When my stomach has digested my food as much as it can, the door opens and my food travels into my small intestine. When my stomach is empty, it shrinks like a balloon without air. My stomach is a stretchy storage tank. My skin is a very large organ. It covers every inch of my body. When I'm adult, I will have about 7 pounds of skin. My skin is covered from my body. It is thick and strong. Most of the time, my skin keeps my body from getting hurt. If I do get hurt and my skin is cut or scarred, my body can make a new skin to take its place. My skin is growing all the time. If I look closely at my skin, I can see many things. I can see hairs. I can see wrinkles. I can also see tiny holes called pores. My pores let water from inside my body come out of my skin. This water is called sweat. My body gets rid of the liquid waste by sweating through my pores. Sweat also helps to keep my body from getting too hot or too cold. I have many nerve endings in my skin. These nervous endings send message to my brain. I can feel different things because of these nervous endings. I can feel heat and cold. I can feel pain. And I could feel touch like when I get hungry. My skeleton is a framework for all my body. It is like the strong force that make the framework for house. My skeleton is made up of bones. My bones are hard and they do not weigh very much. When I was a baby, my bones were soft. Now as I getting older, my bones are getting harder and harder. My bones grow as I grow. I have 206 bones and many of them will grow this year. My bones give my body shakes. If I did not leave my bones, I will bend like a rubber. My bones are joined together at a place called joints. My joints make strong but touch tissues called ligaments. My joints are lined with something called cartilage. My cartilage acts like a pad that keeps my bones from crashing into others. My joints let me move my bones, my knees, then my leg bone. My body also makes brand new cells inside some of my bones. My bones protect organs inside my body too. My skull protects my fatter, soft brains. If I touch my chest, I could feel my ribs. My ribs are the bones that cover my heart and lungs and protect them. My skeleton does many things for me. How do my nerves work? My nerves are run by electricity. I'm blind. I don't have to plant it in the wall. When the doorbell rings, the sound goes in my ears and the electrical charges goes along a path of my nerves to my brain. My brain tells me the doorbell is ringing. It sends the message to my muscle. They move me to the door. I have billions of nerve cells. They start from all parts of my body. Most of them go out at my spines. They go to my brain. Half of them send message to my brain. The others take message from my brain to muscles and the other parts of my body. Then they go into actions.